Hello, good morning, everybody. So finally, on this great day, that I really would like to make a trip. I really want to visit like a factory from silver, and also there is will be see the diamond, and also that's I would like to visit the temple and the waterfall for today. Probably the last of my trip today will be see the restaurants. So how was my trip for today? Just keep following my channel, then you will be know how gorgeous is my trip. Thank you. So good morning, everybody. This is the first stop that we do for today. It is visit the collection from the silver, which is from UC silver, and this is so many kind of the brilliant that you can see over here. So I would like to show you all around this area what else that we can visit for today. So this is the first stop that I do. I would like to show you how gorgeous is this place, guys. So keep following my channel, then you will be know how gorgeous is my trip for today. That's wrong. After I get the ticket, time to go through the temple right now. And over here we already can see there's the entrance from the Batuan temple, guys. So anyway, time to see and exploring Batuan temple. And after we are going through the Madhya Mandala, we already can see there's the ornament from Hindu. We already can see from how beautiful is the people to carving and making the kori over here. This kori is we are trustly in Hindu that we are used for in and out from the god. Well, if you would like to go to a temple, try to go by the left hand side, then we will be go through the temple right now. So like what we can see here, there's a lot of ornament from Hindu, and also we can see there's the building from Hindu temple is super nice and really detailed. And over here we can see there's the building that the local people usually use for the playing the instrument music. And look at that, this is the Hindu temple that is super nice and gorgeous, that they are all carving, guys. So amazing. Welcome to Bali.
Hi.
Batuan temple. And over here we also can see there's the fossil from the temple from before, guys, that they are not allowed to throw the part from the temple. They still keep it. This is really nice. However, if you would like to feeding the fish over here, you can buy by yourself. You put your money like 5,000, then you get each box, each package for the fish food over there. And there's also small fish pool over there. So this is the local people that they preparing for the ceremony that they use from the coconut leaf. So this is the tradition that we have in Bali, how to prepare for the temple. So guys, after we visit Batuan temple, right now we decided to see the waterfall, which is called Terkenal waterfall. So how was the waterfall? Check it out. Wow, finally we are arrived at Keunikan waterfall. Before we go inside through the waterfall, we must be paid 20,000 per person. So here we go. And this is the counter where you can get the ticket, guys. Finally, we are arrived at Keunikan waterfall. Right now, we are already preparing using the shoes, and then we will be walking through the Keunikan waterfall. There's two options that you can go through the waterfall. If you would like to go using the elevator, you can go through the Oma restaurant, but you must be spent like 100,000 at least that you can use the elevator. And anyway, if you would come to here, there's also the toilet over there. That is will be really nice, guys. So I would like to keep going through the waterfall right now, and I would like to keep walking. Check it out. So over here, there's the instruction that you will be getting. That you also can make a photo at bird cage and bird nests, love hills, spot for selfie over here, and natural spring water. Because that's I really want to show you about the waterfall, I would like to keep walking. Check it out. So guys, there's all on the way through the waterfall that you will be see. There's a lot of shop over here that they are selling the souvenir and a lot of Balinese tradition, like you will see here the people selling the coconut, the corn, and probably you would like to have like a cold drink, soft drink over here. It's a really nice. So anyway, before you going through the waterfall, that you has to showing the ticket, and then they will be check for you and give a stamp for you guys. So after you showing the ticket, that they will be stamp your hand to make sure that you has the ticket. So here we go. There's a lot of restaurant over here, guys. The people selling the coconut, corn. It's super nice. So after we walking past all the shop that we will be see, that's the viewpoint that the tourists will become to make a photo over here. So on my suggestion, if you would like to visit this waterfall, try to come in the morning, guys. Then you will be get less traffic, less crowded over here. Great, time to make a photo and video at the viewpoint and also at the bird cage from Keunikan waterfall. So time for me to go down through the waterfall because I really want to see how gorgeous is the waterfall from Keunikan waterfall, guys. So over here, that's we already can see there's the view from the restaurant, and also the waterfall was over there. So this is Oma restaurant. It is like a dive club, guys. So I would like keep going to the Bebek Johnny restaurant. And anyway, guys, this is super nice and gorgeous, the view. And let's see, I would like to show you all around this area because